Myself Prem, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I will show you how to change the password of your user account. You may know through the control panel user account. I will show you a different way that is too simple. The account must be an administrator account. Then go to this PC, right click on that, go to manage, now you can see here there are so many options in the pop-up menu, and you must go to the local users and groups. Click on that. On the right side of the pane you can see here users. Go to users. This one is my user account. Right click on that, set password, and you will get a warning message. Just click on proceed and just type the new password you want to enter. Then retype that same password for confirmation. Press enter or OK. Now the password is changed. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.